Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Valora crypto wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device. Now once you open it up, simply tap on the search box and then type in Valora crypto and simply start the search. Now from the search results, once you find the Valora crypto application, you will be able to find the install button depending on your location and whether it is available for your device. Simply click on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Valora crypto wallet application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can simply tap on it to open up the app and then sign in to an existing account or sign up to create a new one and start using this crypto wallet to trade your crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Valora crypto application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.